Right, so simping, a tragic act. Let me explain. So, never heard of the word simp? Simping? No? Well, it's got to stop. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and my fellow non-simps. Today, we gather not just as an audience, but as witness to one of the greatest plagues of modern civilization, the art of simping. Yes, you heard me right. This is not a drill. This is an intervention. Now, for those of you who may not be, well, unfamiliar with the term simp, let me enlighten you. A simp is a person, most often a man, but occasionally a highly confused individual of any gender, who will bend over backwards, forwards, sideways, and diagonally for someone who barely even acknowledges their existence. Now, I have to say, I have been guilty of simping myself over the years when I was lost, dazed, and confused. Not no more. They exist in a constant state of unpaid emotional labour, performing like circus clowns, hoping to earn the grand prize of what? A text back, a thank you, bestie, a pat on the head, and well trained, good little retriever. Now let's look. Act 1. The birth of a simp. The making of a simp begins early. It often starts in middle school, when young Timmy loans his crush his pencil. Not just any pencil, a mechanical one, with extra lead, and a brand new eraser. And what does he get in return? Nothing. Maybe a thanks, with no exclamation mark, no emoji, no reciprocation. Timmy, of course, takes this as as a sign of hope. Fast forward to high school. Timmy, now a fully developed simp, volunteers to help Emily move her entire 6-piece bedroom set across town because she just doesn't have the upper body strength to carry it all. Meanwhile, Chad, a man has never lifted anything heavier than a protein shake, gets invited to Emily's party. Where Timmy is working security at the front door for free. And in college, oh, Timmy. He's evolved now. He is now a platinum tier simp. He edits her essays, picks up her DoorDashes, orders and reminds her boyfriend's side piece not to text too late at night. At all the while, he himself is firmly planted in the friend zone, like an old oak tree. Act 2. The simp. Life crisis. Now, one might ask, what is the breaking point for a simp? When does he wake up and realize he has been living on a diet of crumbs and false hope? The answer, in many cases, 99.9% of them, never. Timmy now works a full-time job making decent money. But where is that money going? Straight into the funding vacations, rent payments, and car repayments for a woman he still refers to him as like a brother to me. You might even be financing her wedding to another man at this point. His friends have given up. They've staged interventions. They've written letters. They've even gone as far as introducing him to women who actually like him and want to look after him. But no. Timmy cannot be saved now. He's too far gone. Act 3, the rise of the anti-simp. But fear not, my friends, for there is still hope. For some men, some brave, enlightened men, manage to break free. They hit their simp rock bottom. They open their bank app and realise they've spent more money on Starbucks runs than someone else, than they've have their own groceries. They spent more money on this woman on Starbucks than their own groceries. Let that sink in. They finally Google reciprocation and realise it means both people giving, not just one. And thus they rise. Like a phoenix from the ashes, the ex-simp starts focusing on himself. He starts saying no. He starts bench pressing his self-respect. He stops writing 1,000-word good morning text messages to someone who responds, cute. He becomes a man with boundaries. And the best part, as soon as he stops simping, the same people who ignored him start noticing him again. It's almost as if self-respect is attractive. I'll bear that in mind. Final thoughts on this. The simping has to end. It has to end today. So my message to you all, it's very simple. It's very simple. You can all do it. Just stop simping. If she cancels plans 3 times in a row, but still texts you when she needs a favour, just stop simping. If she calls you, says, great guy, but dates a guy who collects parking tickets like Pokemon cards, stop simping. Just stop. If you're sending daily good morning text messages to someone who responds 3 business days later, simple. Stop simping. Just stop simping. Gentlemen, love is not transactional, but neither is one-sided charity work. You are not a human ATM. You are not an Uber driver with emotional support perks. You are a king. And it's about time you started acting like one. So I ask you all, no, I beg you all, let's simp no more. No more simping. Let's simp no more. Let us reclaim our dignity, our wallets, and our self-worth. No more simping. Thank you. And may the simp to Sigma pipeline be swift and strong for us all. No more simping.